How to integrate Airtable with Salesforce. Hi, beautiful people. In this video, you would learn how you can integrate Airtable with Salesforce. The first step is to log in into your Airtable account, just like I have done here. And then the second step is to choose or navigate through to the workspace which you would like to integrate with Salesforce. So for me, this is the workspace, and I'll just be selecting it now. Now, after selecting the workspace, you'll be brought to the workspace page where you would see welcome address showcasing the things that you need to do to complete or to complete your Airtables workspace. All right, so you can just close this here, and after closing it down, this is how the workspace looks like. By the left side of the screen, you can see a menu displaying options like grid view, things you can create, etc. And then in the top navigation bar, you can see other options. Then once you can see this, the next step is to scroll down to the lower part of the screen and click on the add more option. After doing that, a window would pop up in the middle of the screen. Once you can see this window, just scroll down until you can see sync. Alright, so under sync, you can see the right of saying that integrates your work with other existing tools you might use. Then once you can see this, just select Salesforce. And then once you've selected Salesforce, you'll be redirected to another page entirely where you can continue the integration process. So once you're on this page, you can see different options, right? You can see the free account, you can see the paid one, so you can just select the one that applies to you. For me, I'll be working with the free option, all right? And then once you're done, you can see the option choose free. Yeah, after selecting choose free, the page would load as well, and then you can see the option tell us where you're downgraded to free. You can decide to change plan if you want, or you can just select any of this option. Then you can elaborate on this. Once you are done, so you'll be able to send it to them, and from there you'll be directed on that page. Follow the on-screen instructions, and then you'll be able to connect Salesforce with Airtable. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.